Hey everybody, welcome back to Eric's Creative. I'm Eric McGrew, and today we are going to be making this. If you don't know what this is, it's a table jig for your handheld belt sander. It fits in just like so. You clamp it down, like so. And there you have it. You have a table sander. To work on sanding stuff on a belt sander that's like a table sander. So there you have it, guys. Here is the finished product. It took me probably around 25-30 minutes to actually do the work, not including camera setup and moving and all that kind of stuff. It's just an old piece of 1x12 scrap pine. So that's all it took. And here we have it. Now I have a jig to set my my belt sander in, which is a handheld, but now it converts it into a tabletop basically. It's a little loose in there, but that's okay because, I mean, you usually are putting down pressure on it. And it will work, as I showed you, to sand different things, like this old sculpture that I started on years back. And this is oak, so it's a hard wood, and I was using 120 grit. So it just gives you an idea of what it can do with with 80 grit or 60 grit. You might have to push down a little bit harder, and you'll have to find your leverage point so that it doesn't flip up on you. But you can even put a strap across here if you want it or whatever. And if I need to, I'll do that. But I think it's good as it is for me. And the project cost me, I guess around $6 or $3, and really $3 because I already had the board and everything. But it would have cost me around $3 for that. So if you have to buy a brand new board, it would have cost you around $10. But still, it's not that expensive to have a jig that allows you to use your hand-held belt sander in a tabletop platform like that. So, hope you guys thought it was creative. Hope you guys find it to be helpful and interesting. You could make it closer tolerance and work at it finer, but this is an old piece of wood. It'll probably break. It's already split, so I didn't want to spend too much time and effort on it. But it works. It's a really good piece of equipment to have around the shop. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by Eric's Creative. Hope you guys come back. Please don't forget to comment if you have a project that you would like me to help you with, or that you would like to see me do. I'll at least consider it. And please give me a thumbs up there, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thanks again, and hope to see you in the next episode.